going to explain the program for palindrome number that I've written. So first I created a variable named reverse, and initially it is initialized with uh, basically an empty string, right? And then we created a number variable which takes input, which is any number that is entered by the user. And I'm hoping that they are entering anything which is greater than zero, right? I'm just hoping that they do. And at the very least, it should be zero. I am not checking for negative numbers because I don't need to. Now I'm storing the same number that is entered by the user in a temporary variable which I'm going to use later on, right? So temporary variable, by the way, is going to store the original number, and then we are going to, this is something that it is not needed, so I'm going to remove it. Here, while number exists, while number is not equal to zero, we continuously keep getting the digit. We can do that by dividing the number by 10 and getting the remainder, which we can do using percentage sign, right? So this gives us the remainder. So this way we can get the digit, and then we keep reducing the number by 10. I mean, we keep dividing the number by 10 and keep taking the quotient, and that becomes the next number, and then again we get the digit, and then again we divide it by 10 and get the next number, and that is how we continue, right? And every single time we get a new digit, we make that digit from integer to string, and then concatenate that string to our reverse variable, so basically the string that we were creating. Finally, when we have the digits in reverse order as a string, we convert it back to integer data type, and then we try to match if the temporary variable, which is the original number that is entered by the user, is equal to the reverse of the number itself or not. So if 1 to 1 is equal to 1 to 1, then it is palindrome. Or let's say that if user has entered 1 to 3, then its reverse is going to be 3 to 1. So 1 to 1 is actually not equal to 3 to 1, and this is not a palindrome number will be printed. So let's test the code. 1 to 1, this is a palindrome number. 1 to 2, its reverse, by the way, is 2 to 1, which is not equal to 1 to 2. So this is not a palindrome number. So our program is working properly, as you can see. And thank you very much for watching.